In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tag in Bitbucket. Tagging is a useful way to mark specific points in your repository, like releases or versions, which can help you and your team track changes over time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add a tag using the Bitbucket user interface, making your workflow more organized and efficient. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your repository, which is where the process begins. Open up your web browser and head over to Bitbucket. Once you're logged in, find and select the repository where you want to add a tag. This step is crucial because tagging the correct repository ensures that you're marking the right set of changes. After you've accessed your repository, the next step is to go to the Commits section. Look over to the left side navigation panel, and there you'll find the Commits tab. Click on it. This section gives you a view of all the changes that have been made in the repository. You'll see a list of commits that have occurred, each representing an individual update or change made by you or your team. Now that you're in the Commits section, it's time to select the target commit. Carefully look through the list of commits to find the specific one you want to tag. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on that commit. This step is key because the tag you're about to create will be directly associated with this particular commit, marking it as an important point in your project's history. With your chosen commit open, you should notice there's a Details panel to the right of your screen. Ensure you're under the Details tab within this panel. Here, you'll find an option that says Create Tag. This is the feature that allows you to label that specific commit, so go ahead and click on Create Tag. Now, it's time to define the tag. This is your opportunity to provide context about the significance of this commit. You'll need to enter a name for your tag, something that makes it easily identifiable. Common choices can include version numbers or descriptive names relevant to the changes. Additionally, you have the option to add a description. While it's not mandatory, adding a description can give you and your colleagues helpful insight into what this tag represents, enhancing collaboration and understanding. Finally, after naming your tag and optionally adding a description, you're all set to confirm the creation of your tag. Simply click the Create Tag button to finalize. This action officially adds your tag to the commit, making it accessible for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully added a tag to a commit using Bitbucket's user interface. This straightforward process is a fantastic way to keep your workflow clean and organized, providing a quick reference to important milestones in your project's timeline. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging!